Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome to update 5 of Mako, Knex recreation. Last time we did that turn, speed hill, and the mid course, and then today we're going to be doing the drop off, our time hill, and those fun turns. So yeah, look forward to that. At the end of this update, I'm going to show you guys a test with the 5-car train, all I'm going to actually be using. So look forward to that at the end of the video. And yeah, let's get to a time lapse.
Alright, while I was building that, I realized I actually don't have enough space for the station over here. The wall right there, just too close, and I won't have enough space. So, I'm once again going to have to move the coaster, because there's room, and so I'll move that. Anyway, so, yeah, let's move it.
Okay, this is looking much better. Let's get back to building. Wow, we are so close. We just have the station to be done now, and then I will be done with this roller coaster. Like I told you at the beginning, I'm going to do a test now, so let's get to that test. Thank you so much for watching. My next video will be the final video, so expect that next like 4 days or something like that. Anyway, just gotta get that station done and then I'll be finished. Make sure to subscribe. It really helps me stay motivated to keep on building these epic Knex things. And yeah, we'll see you in the final video where I will show off this whole coaster in all of its glory. Bye.